Hello, I'm Adam from MarketLife.com here with a video for Wednesday, December 9th, 2020. So we're looking at a long setup here in Trinity Biotech. That's ticker TRIB, T-R-I-B. And your entry for this trade can be over Tuesday's high. So you're buying a break above the high of that bar. I think this is a case where, another one of these cases where you only want to hold the trade on that close if it extends higher. So what you don't want to do is get into a trade, see it close down here, and then you're still holding it. That would probably be a better case to take the trade off, take the small loss, and look to reset for the next day. Your initial stop is somewhere in this area. That's about 430 roughly, and that reflects your 1 hour target above this previous pivot, which is high, and that would be which is the high of the move, the high of the previous month. But that's a pretty good setup there. It's one of the nicer bull flags we see. Overall, market's still bullish. I do think that it is unlikely we're going to see really sharp momentum into the end of the year, but we don't know that. And even though the markets continue to drift up, volatility is pretty compressed, so we're not nearly as extended as, let's look at the S&P here. A lot of times people would think, and correctly so, that when we start to get into this upper channel, that we're a little bit overbought. But what I would just point out to you is that indexes can do this. Stocks can do this. That's the problem with people who are always saying things are overbought. Well, where was it overbought? It was overbought here, and it just got more and more overbought. Eventually, you're right, but you're much better off, in my experience, focusing on taking a piece out of this. So even though we are up against that upper channel, there's no reason to look for short trades yet. And that's what we have heading into the middle of the week. If the video is helpful, give us a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can see the rest of our small cap list over at MarketLife.com.